Yeah, this video will show you how to use your ClassPad to do a graphical solve of a simultaneous equation. So remember, basically the solution of simultaneous equations are the intersection point of the two straight line graphs. So the first thing to do a graphical solve, to perform a graphical solve, is that we'll have to plot these two graphs. Now remember, the ClassPad doesn't like the graphs in this form, it likes them as y equals. So we're going to do a couple of things now. We'll actually get our ClassPad to transpose both of these for us, and then we'll plot them. So we'll use action, advanced, and solve, and let's do 2x plus 3y equals 4. And we'll put a comma and we'll solve for y, close our brackets, and execute. Okay, and there's our new function, y equals negative 2x on 3 plus 4 on 3. Okay, the next one we'll do is this one here. So that is, again, action and advanced solve, and we'll do x take 3y equals 2, and again we want it in the form y equals, so we'll just solve for y again and execute. Alright, so y equals x on 3, take 2 on 3. Alright, so now what we'll do is we'll get a graph of this. Look, the way we do that is if we hit this down arrow button and we select the y1, y2 option, that'll allow us to enter the relations here. Now I could retype this whole thing. Some of you without styluses will have to actually do that, but with my stylus I can actually select that and just drag it into position here. Now remember, I don't need to type the y equals, that's what it is, y1 equals, so that's graph 1 equals that. Okay, I do the same thing for the second function, just drag it down, making sure I haven't included the y equals. Alright, so now it's a simple case of just having to graph these. I check the two boxes. That makes sure that when I hit the graph button that they're both selected, and then I simply hit the graph button. Okay, so there's the intersection point. So if I want to actually pull up the value of that, I go Analysis, Gsolve, and Intersect. And what it tells me is that where these two lines intersect, the x value is 2, the y value is 0. So again, if I was to write that as a solution, I would write my solution as a coordinate pair. So I'll just shift this over so I can see the output from the calculator. So the coordinate pair is 2, 0, and I'd also write x equals 2 and y equals 0. So that is my solution to those, or that pair of simultaneous equations there. So that's the graphical solve of it.